Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your HMD Arc. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using the side buttons on the right side. So here we have the side buttons, as you guys can see, and we want to press the volume up, so the one on the top, while we are on an active call. Now, here we can open up the phone app, and if we have an option to call up somebody, then make sure you do. Here we will press the volume up, and as you guys can see, we are increasing the volume. Now, it is the call volume that I was talking about. You can change it while being on an active call. You can change it in the phone app just by opening it. And of course, you can go over into the settings, and here in the settings, you will see that this option is also available. So here you can also change it. Now, after adjusting our call volume, we're gonna go over and open connected devices. Now here we click on connection preferences, click on Bluetooth, and we want to disable the Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices. So if we have our headphones paired, then we want to make sure that we disable the Bluetooth for just a little bit of a test. So we're gonna simply rule out those devices that may be connected to our phone. And now next, what are we gonna do is, here you have a little bit of a cutout right up top here. You can see that it goes in like this shape. It's like a U. And basically we want to clean it with a soft brush. This is our earpiece, and this is what we are basically using to call up somebody. Here we just put our ear and then we call up someone. So that's how it works. Of course, after cleaning it, we can test another call using, let's say, the phone app, or by using any other app like WhatsApp for an example. Now we're gonna restart the phone, so press and hold the power button. Now tap on restart, and our HMD is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what are we gonna do as a last resort is open up the settings. Now here in the settings, we scroll a little bit down, and here we have something like system. Now we tap on the system. Here we go to reset options, and we click on reset mobile network settings. We click on reset right here, and we wait for confirmation at the bottom. After we click it for the second time, we got our confirmation. That means they have been reset successfully, and that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.